beautiful girls there. No. Now, wow.
Ikuba. This is amazing. I never knew you had a lot of fans in this choir. So, can I ask you a question? Now you split the choir. Who's going for the talent hunt? That choir or this choir? Because Walter has the letter of invitation.
So, well, Chairman, we were prepared for all this. What I have here in my hand is our letter of invitation to the talent of the concert. As you can see, you guys can go ahead and keep the name Heaven for Africa. We are Heaven in Africa. Kuba, this is not God. Ladies and gentlemen, can we meet ourselves?
Why not?
There's a hunger in your eyes, a desert in your smile still lays. There's a thirsty grip in you. Never thought that you could be satisfied. Never you believed.
Come to
Never you believe what you there's a miracle looking for you.
I'm going nowhere. I stay with you.
Every song you hear is blue. Everywhere the sun shines but not on you. Hear the sound, the distant sound of distant beat. Victory is a word misty on your memory. Never thought on you is I would be.
shine the light.
Kill the night. Kill the night. Kill the night.
Hands unseen are touching you. A miracle is looking for you. Yeah, the future rays are staring at.
Sorry. I am in Aligu. That's my name. Baba, you can call me Ina for short.
So how can we help you?
You see, I'm a very good singer. A very strong vocalist. I've sung with five different choirs. In fact, I've sung with Sir Victor Whiteford. Yes, and you see, I just met somebody one sister. She directed me here. if I'm a member of this choir, my area of specialization, I specialize in duets, very powerful duets. In fact, you just need to give me a try.
All right, you want to join the choir?
Yes.
Okay. You can join us.
Just like that.
Like that.
Yes.
Just sit down, join us so we can do something.
Once again, Ina.
Welcome.
Yeah, Ina.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right, remember.
Why? Why me? I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. I caused the choir to split. I caused it. And I'm so sorry.
You're crying. What's the matter? Come, has somebody said something wrong to you? Talk to me.
Ikuba, what's the meaning of what you did today? How could you do such a thing?
Oh, that. Come, Nina, is that why you're crying? Come on. You shouldn't be crying.
You mean you don't see anything wrong with splitting the choir that has been in existence for 5 years? 5 years, Ikuba.
Listen, Nina. You're very special to me. I could even split the Red Sea a second time just for you.
What do you mean?
Nina, I think I must use this opportunity to let you know what's been on my mind. I've been a secret admirer for a very long time. I've done this and I could do much more.